Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, isopropyl alcohol, lint-free cloths, and high-quality thermal paste. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges of the laptop paw. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back cover off, locate the CPU and GPU. These components are usually covered by a heatsink. Carefully unscrew the heatsink, taking note of the screws' positions as they may vary in size. Once the heatsink is removed, you will see the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Using a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol, gently wipe away the old thermal paste from both surfaces. Ensure that you clean them thoroughly to avoid any residue that could affect the new application. If you find it challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation. After cleaning, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the CPU and GPU. A PSZ amount is usually sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once the heatsink is secured back in place, replace the back cover of your laptop. Ensure clips are properly aligned and press down gently to snap it back into position. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them circularly, but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Finally, reconnect your laptop to the power source and power it on. Monitor the temperatures using software tools to ensure that the new thermal paste is functioning effectively. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your laptop serviced right from your home. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the thermal paste on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex console, enhancing its performance and extending its lifespan. Regular maintenance like this is crucial for keeping your device running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.